Hey everybody, Matt here with Team Kerr over at Remax. Just wanted to send you the stats. They came out. I attached this email is the pricing benchmark, the real estate board stats, as well as the snap stats. And I'm going to talk about the snap stats because it's a snapshot into the market. You can tell what kind of where the pricing is going just on the sales to listing ratio. So as I talk about this, anything above 20%, analysts say, is a seller's market. Anything below 12% or 12% below is a buyer's market in normal markets. That's what they're saying here. So look quickly, downtown core, 53%. It's booming. Slight raise in the average price per square foot from 1,079 to 1,085, so that's a 1% increase. But all in all, it's holding steady when I look at the graph here. East side and west side houses, detached homes, both operating at 12%. Buyer's market. There's some opportunities, buying opportunities out there. It's been soft. It's been pretty stable, like all throughout the second half of the year with the houses. The really nice houses do sell. The well-priced houses sell fast. The buyers are definitely out there. On the west side, kind of a dramatic average price drop. So 3.7 million was in October, and then in November it went down to 3.1 million. So we have also seen the inventory drop a little bit, and the transactions are dropping with it. That's pretty typical for December. We're going to, going into December, and we'll probably see that as we get into January. But of course, I'll be keeping you up to date. The west side and the east side, condos and townhouses have been actually very strong still. 51% on the west side. It's kind of interesting. Average price per square foot has changed, but it's decreased. Okay, it went from 875 down to 816 average in all west side attached units. So kind of interesting. Now we get to the east side here. The east side is actually operating at 77% for the condos and townhouses, and you're seeing some pretty crazy numbers here. Listen to this. Mount Pleasant east side, Mount Pleasant East, 52 hit the market in November, 67 sold, giving us a sales to listing ratio of 129%. Yeah, how does that happen? It's just there's probably some leftovers or things were listed at the very end of October and then sold in November. So they count in there, just so you know how that works. And we've seen a increase in the average price per square foot on the east side for the townhouses and condos from 800 to 851 for price per square foot. Things selling in 9 days, pretty quick. Now, just really quick, I'm just going to backtrack. Sorry to be jumping around like this, but the average days on the market right now for the attached on the east side in November is 23 days, so a little bit longer than what we normally used to on the east side. And then on the west side, it's actually up a little bit to 34 days. In normal markets, that's actually pretty quick. Like in any other city around the country, a month to sell your place is actually pretty quick. But here in Vancouver, we've seen some much shorter days on the market than that. Really quickly, because I know some of you guys are in North Van, pretty stable in the housing with the houses, 24%. That's saying it's a very soft seller's market. For the well-priced houses, they are selling actually relatively quickly. And then, of course, as the attached in North Vancouver has been strong, for a long time, 76%. And get this, so the average price per square foot in North Van is $750, so it's quite a bit less in the east side than in the west side in the attached units. So your dollar goes a little bit longer, a little further over there. Anyways, happy reading. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're here to bring you value and information in this real estate market here in Vancouver. All the best, and have great holidays and an amazing New Year's. Talk to you soon.